I'm Vicky.
And I'm Amy, Tenant Engagement Coordinator for North Wales Housing.
And I work for Trevi Conway. What we're doing here today is we're consulting with young people on the leaflet, which you can see behind us, which we've developed, which gives them information on housing options. To do that, we've done a massive Battle of the Bands competition.
Yeah, the idea originally came from the Bus Stop Project, which is a youth group project around Conway. And then from a report from Shelter, we found out that this kind of literature wasn't really out there for young people. So we've devised a leaflet with consultation with small groups, and we wanted to hold a bigger event to ensure we got feedback from other groups of people, which is what today is about really. And we've tried to link it in with other agencies to make sure there's as much information as possible out there for young people. And then, like Vicky said, the Battle of the Bands is the main pull really, to entice them to come along and to put something fun on for them as well.
What we'll do today, after all the young people have been able to consult on the leaflet, is we'll take all their comments, change the leaflet so it suits, to make sure it's actually what the young people want, it's the way they want to read it and the language, and then the final leaflet will be developed and then get rolled out.
It's basically a young person leaflet, which will be written by young people by the end of today.
Say hello. What do you think about today's event?
It's been all really good, like aimed at young people and everything. I thought it was going to be like really boring, but it wasn't. It was like really fun.
Learned a lot about things that we could do as youth. You can do more one thing, so yeah, and support our friends and stuff.
And what do you think of the leaflets?
They're good, they're informative, definitely. Yeah, they stand out. Yeah, so I'd get it if I saw it.
What do you think about today's event?
I like it, yeah. I think it's a really good idea because it's like, you know, kids, well, I like music and sort of, it's not just music as well, there's like loads of activities and everything, yeah. I think it's a really good idea.
It's actually quite good. First impressions were quite good of it.
It's pretty cool actually. I like music and all that, so I like making music and it's good time to like make some friends and that as well. So.
Same question to you?
Same answer really. Yeah, I just like the atmosphere of it all.
I think it's just good that you can get the community and kids involved in music, because music's a great way to bring people together. So this event does it well.
Well, it's something for us to do. We usually start at home doing schoolwork, and it's time to get out and breathe.
Yeah, and it's also like something that everyone can get together rather than, you know, we just go to the park and sit around. This is like, it like influence you in a good way. Yeah, it's really, really interesting.
What do you think of the leaflets behind you?
I think the leaflets are really good because they're bright and colourful, and young people will find it easy to read, not boring.
I like the design because it's suitable for any age of person. Like the pictures and that, it's all flashy and like bright, I think.
Very very informative, and they're quite interactive as well. You sort of get involved in them.
They're like bright coloured, so they stand out and stuff like that. It's like they appeal to you.
I mean, do you like the design?
Yeah, it's like the layout's really good, and it's like it gives you information you need and everything.
And I thought it was good how they'll let us, you know, if we don't understand something, just stick a post-it note on it. I thought that was like a good idea because, you know, you don't have to go up to people to tell them, oh, I don't understand this. You can just like put it anonymously. Some people are like shy.
Really good layout, and they actually stand out to people passing them.
Hi, my name's Pat Williams. I'm the Participation Coordinator for Children and Young People in Conway, and I work within the Children and Young People's Partnership. Today we're here to promote the services that we offer within the team, and that includes running the Youth Council for Conway, and we've got leaflets about that. We're also consulting on the next Children and Young People's Plan for Conway, looking at what young people think should be in there and what services that they would like to see. We're also recruiting any parents that turn up to ask them to join the parent network so that we can improve services for parents in the county. We've also got our information leaflet, which is for young people, to show them all the places that they can get the information they might want about all the different services, etc.
Hi, my name's Carolyn, and this is the Bus Stop Project. It's been on the go since 2003. We're a youth information service, and we have a big purple bus there, and we go around the whole of the Conway County taking out up-to-date, relevant, age-appropriate information for young people aged 11 to 25. The project is very, very well received by young people, and the young people can come and have a drink with us and also can have a chat about all sorts of issues that are bothering them or they want to find out about.
Hi, I'm Vedra Allams, the Bus Stop Coordinator in Conway. Basically, as Carolyn mentioned earlier, we're a mobile information service for young people. Bus Stop currently does a lot of work within schools, delivering various different sessions, whether it be SRE or sessions on bullying or mental health. Basically, also Bus Stop's involvement with today, as we're employed by a housing association, one of the remits we obviously cover is information literature for young people on housing issues. Basically, we realised that there was a severe lack of info for young people on this subject. Albeit there's a lot of info out there, none of it was really targeted mainly specifically at young people. So with the support of Cartrefi Conway, North Wales Housing and obviously Cymdeithas Tai Gogledd as our management organisation, we got together and we've produced the leaflet on housing. And through consultation with each other really on that, we decided it would be a good way to sort of get other agencies on board and see what their feelings were. So we decided to go the whole hog and do this Youth Information Festival, because we thought it's a good opportunity to share our work with partner agencies and also get their input on the work that we've done.
Hello, my name's Nia Perrin. I'm the Children's Officer at SNAP Cymru. We're an organisation who works across 4 counties in North Wales, which is Conway, Denbighshire, Gwynedd and Mom. I work within Reach the Heights project, which is funded to work with NEETs or pre-NEET young people. Today, basically, we're here to try and, work with young people and give them, some advice if they need any today. The day seems to be going quite well so far. We've only seen the first batch of young people coming through. So hopefully this will be an opportunity for us to get some more beneficiaries for our service and to reach out to more young people in Conway.
Hi there, I'm Ethan Ray and I'm a volunteer for Colwyn Bay Football Club in the community. We are here today advertising our new apprenticeship scheme, which we are starting this November at the football club, which is for 16 to 18-year-olds who are not in employment, education or training, and we do a £95 a week course for them where they come out with 7 qualifications, including NVQs and BTECs in work skills, sports development and sports recreation, alongside other qualifications such as first aid, health and safety and child protection. This is an excellent project for young people in this area, where there is often a dearth of opportunities for young people to get involved in new and innovative organisations.
Hi. Hello. Elsa, North Wales Housing. I'm a resettlement and outreach officer based in Bangor in Gwynedd.
I am Alice, Alice Mae'r. I work with North Wales Housing in Gwynedd, and I get my referrals from the Youth Justice Service, working with 16 to 18-year-olds.
We're here today to talk about resettlement and homelessness, and to signpost people to different agencies to deal with various issues around budgeting and tenancies. It's a good idea. It's getting a lot of people here and involved today.
It is. It's good to get more information to young people about the realities of living independently, because it's a big area which isn't well covered in the education sector.
Hi, my name's Gwenna. I work for CAIS. CAIS is a drug and alcohol agency, and we've got bases all over North Wales. I come from the young persons team, the YPSMS, and I'm one of a team of people who work with young people all over Calmy and Denbighshire. And we try to offer a bit of advice to young people, really, education about drugs and alcohol, harm reduction advice, relapse prevention advice, and we hope to offer some support, really, in a confidential manner, and try to be as non-judgmental as possible.
Today's going really well. We're quite surprised with how easy it's been to get everybody in to do the consultation. The Battle of the Bands is going well. I think everybody's...
Quite a few people here, The turnout's been really good, some really positive feedback.
We're really happy with the information that the young people have provided for us as well. They've been really, really helpful in the outcome of the leaflet.
How important is it to have something like this for young people, you know, information like this?
It's very important because there's not really much out at the moment, and to pick up a leaflet and just be able to have it all in one place is easy.
Oh, I think it's like really important because, you know, you get it all together.
It's good, yeah, like you can go and ask for help and advice off anyone, and then you feel safe with things, and you're not just talking to anyone, you're talking to somebody qualified to do it.
Well, because we're here, we can bring all our friends, because we come from here, we can bring all our friends, and we can get entertainment and information at the same time.
I think it's quite...
That's pretty amazing.
It's really good. It's definitely an experience. I'd be willing to do it again.
It's definitely very educational as well. It's better than sitting at home playing on your Xbox.
I think it's really important because it's like, it gives them something to do and it gives them the information that they need to know.
I absolutely love it. It's great. It's been really good fun. This is our first gig so far. We've been playing as a band about 6 months, and it's gone really amazing.
What was it like playing on stage?
It was pretty awesome, actually. I was surprised I wasn't actually nervous from the stage. That's my deal.
It's sort of essential, I suppose, because like when we were growing up, we didn't really have much of this. But if I'd had this in my local area, it would have been brilliant around my age. But yeah, back in the day. But it's informative and it's also fun, which sounds a bit cheesy, but it's true.
So overall, do you reckon they should do plenty more of this?
Oh yeah, really good. Yeah, really good. Be more often.